Welcome to today's discussion on vitamin B12 deficiency and its associated symptoms. Vitamin B12, an essential nutrient, plays a critical role in maintaining various bodily functions. In this discussion, we'll explore what vitamin B12 deficiency is, its common symptoms, and the implications it can have on your health. What is vitamin B12 deficiency? Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that your body needs for several important processes. These include DNA synthesis, nerve function, and the formation of red blood cells. Vitamin B12 is found in animal-based foods and is typically absorbed in the small intestine. However, when your body doesn't get enough B12, it can lead to a condition called vitamin B12 deficiency. Common symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency, Let's delve into the common symptoms associated with vitamin B12 deficiency. 1. Fatigue and weakness *. One of the earliest signs is often fatigue and weakness. This is because vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to anemia, where your body doesn't produce enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen to your tissues. Nervous system issues. Vitamin B12 is crucial for maintaining healthy nerve cells. Deficiency can lead to symptoms like numbness or tingling in your hands and feet. Some individuals might experience difficulty walking or maintaining balance, pale or jaundiced skin. Anemia resulting from vitamin B12 deficiency can cause your skin to become pale or even develop a yellowish tint. Jaundice. Cognitive changes. B12 deficiency has been linked to cognitive changes, including memory problems, difficulty concentrating, and mood swings. In severe cases, it might even contribute to depression and anxiety. Glossitis and mouth ulcers. Some people with B12 deficiency might notice changes in their oral health. The tongue might become inflamed, a condition known as glossitis, and mouth ulcers can develop. Vision problems. In rare cases, B12 deficiency can affect the optic nerve and lead to vision disturbances. Heart palpitations and shortness of breath. Since B12 deficiency can cause anemia, it might lead to symptoms like heart palpitations and shortness of breath, especially after physical exertion. Conclusion. Vitamin B12 deficiency can manifest through a range of symptoms that affect various aspects of your health. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet that includes B12-rich foods and considering supplements if necessary can play a significant role in preventing and addressing vitamin B12 deficiency. Your health matters, so take steps to ensure your body gets the nutrients it needs to thrive.